Hey guys, you've successfully completed a full course on how to build your own functioning web hosting business. In this last video of our web hosting business series, I'll be giving you helpful resources. I'll also be showing you how you can get support from me. Let me show you the first resource. I'll have links in the description to this size. So the first one is DNS checker. Open DNS checker, and I hope you know what DNS is. You can enter a website URL here. So let's put something like, and if you want to know if the DNS has propagated, just pick name servers and click on search. And you can read this for better understanding. And right now, this is our DNS. You can see your name servers. You can check your A records, your MX records, TXT records, and what have you. Now the question is, how relevant is DNS checker? There are times you would want to know if your site is globally accessible. So right now, this place, Pakistan, Islamabad, our site is not currently visible there. And then this place, New Zealand, our site is not live. So this will help you know where your site is live and where it is not. This might take a while to propagate and for them to see your sites online. And that's the importance of DNS checker. If you want to know your site has fully propagated or not, use DNS checker. Again, I have the link in the description of this video. Use that. Just copy those links and then bookmark them. Our second URL is domain age. If you want to know the expiry date of a domain name, you simply type that domain there, okay, and you know the age. So you can see the age, the expiration, the last updated availability, ownership, registrar, the who is data. Just click on search and you know the age of this domain. And this domain name is 11 days old. I registered this brand new to show you how you can build your own web hosting business. So this domain name is what? Brand new. You can check domains availability, ownership, and what have you here. You can also check its expiration. And you see 11 months and 17 days left for this domain name to expire. That's another helpful resource out there. Let's open another link, and we have WHMCS documentation page or online documentation. Because we are running WHMCS as our front page, and that's where we host our clients. That's where we go to see our clients. And WHMCS is a billing and automation system. I took you through the whole process of installing WHMCS, configuring WHMCS, and even connecting servers via WHMCS. This is their documentation page. You can scroll down and see how you can install WHMCS, how you can update system requirements and what have you. And this also helped me when I was first learning about this. Go ahead and read all these things. Anytime you have problems, come to this resource page and then you'll be able to troubleshoot your issues. And that's our third website or resource. Next, we have cPanel and WHM. This is a documentation page for cPanel. You can scroll down and you see knowledge base. This is their knowledge base. And they have a lot. How to create emails in cPanel, how to backups, how to do whatever. Security, everything is here. Helpful resource. Go ahead and explore it for yourself. They even have video tutorials here. They have a YouTube channel. That's enough. Let's open another link. And we have WHMCS Marketplace. WHMCS has a marketplace, and that's where we downloaded some of our modules. Something like Flutterwave module. Sorry, Flutterwave module was we downloaded from a GitHub repository, but something like Paystack. Okay, so Paystack, paste, hit enter, and here is it. So they have a marketplace. You can go and search for things. That's another helpful resource out there. Another helpful resource is YouTube. Go to YouTube and search for whatever you're looking for, and YouTube will give you all the answers you need. Not forgetting of Google. Sometimes ChatGPT or these AI tools, use them. They're all helpful resources. And that's the little I have for you concerning helpful resources. Now let's talk about support. How do you get my support? I provide free support for all my clients, and this free support will last for only 2 years, starting from the day you became a client. To those of you who have set up your own hosting business by simply watching the training, I'm sorry, I can't offer you free support. So I'll have a payment link or page set up somewhere. Check the description of this video that you can book a support or book support plan, and then I'll give you my support. Hey guys, this brings us to the end of our web hosting business series. You guys can be your own Namecheap, name hero if you followed my step-by-step guide. So thank you for watching. Hoping to catch you in my other trainings. Stay blessed.